In this video, we will understand ozone layer. The ozone layer protects the Earth from the sun's ultraviolet UV radiation. Ozone O3 layer is largely found in the stratosphere, which is a part of our atmosphere, from 12 kilometers to 50 kilometers above sea level. This region is called ozonosphere. Ozone is deadly poisonous at the ground level. Ozone is formed as a result of the following photochemical reaction. Ozone layer is a protective blanket around the Earth, which absorbs most of the harmful UV ultraviolet radiation of the sun, thus protecting the living beings of the Earth from health hazards like skin cancer, cataract in eyes, weakened immune system, destruction of plants, etc. Ozone is a form of oxygen. Ozone, O3, is a molecule formed by 3 atoms of oxygen, while O2, which we normally refer to as oxygen, is essential for all aerobic forms of life. Ozone at the higher levels of the atmosphere is a product of UV radiation acting on oxygen, O2, molecule. The high-energy UV radiation break down the O2 molecules into free oxygen, or atom. These oxygen atom combine with oxygen, O2, molecule to form the ozone molecule. Depletion of ozone layer. Ozone holes are areas of severely depleted ozone concentrations, particularly over Antarctica and to a lesser extent over the Arctic. The Antarctic ozone hole, first discovered in the 1980s, is the most prominent and well-known example of ozone depletion. Human activities, such as the release of ozone-depleting substances, ODs, like chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, halogens, and other industrial chemicals, have led to the depletion of the ozone layer. Many developing and developed countries have signed and are obeying the directions of United Nations Environment Programme to freeze or limit the production and usage of CFCs at 1986 levels. These ozone-depleting substances break down ozone molecules in the stratosphere, particularly in polar regions, leading to the formation of ozone holes or thinning of the ozone layer. The ozone layer is a vital component of Earth's atmosphere, providing protection against harmful UV radiation. While human activities have caused depletion of the ozone layer, international agreements and regulations have been effective in reducing ozone-depleting substances and promoting its recovery. Continued monitoring and conservation efforts are essential to ensure the long-term health and stability of the ozone layer. Plant and animal breeding and selection for quality improvement and management, use of fertilizers and manures, protection from pests and diseases, organic farming. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.